tang na chega bag fi Africa tang na ngorgenin in USA but anyhow ana cha ba kamal cha bud kamal u cha tiang kamal uba mat kwiji nu ya nen lagin da kwiji mai chieu yorum ge del yot ji mai chieu ji mo nu cha nen go yorum teo ge del yot now Tariq history of Africa Tariq but Africa Tariq dung Africa o kalam de bam je le war for propagandists of so-called government of South Sudan. I'm SPLA. I myself am SPLA. But I'm the original SPLA of 1983. The my SPLA, but I nyanya fi Juba. Yeah, now I'm not far away. SPLA Boktul Yal Bataude, Boktul killing his own civilian. The my SPLA Batana. SPLA Batana died with John Grant. SPLA Batana de mad my John Grant. SPLA Father Lebata Nyanya Saket. Sakaranin, Sukurjin, Sharamit, they are mafia the time. Zolindo comes and is one, Asheran is one. Oh, Kalas. The world is buying technology. Good road, Musachfa, school. Tamji Rwanda in Rwanda of genocide. Rwanda lele $1,000 muk. Tamji Uganda in de Museveni. Pi Musachfa. Lakin Chirami the guard for Juba, Sukurjin the guard for Juba, the mind of my yaja. Garumanamchi then Tayara Tazoltani Shakalubel Yalta Nas Vijunov, Galfi Rebel Bamalu defeat. Or Umaninumba whiskey. Whiskey they jam when the woman Mabarabo. They don't even know that whiskey can be produced in South Sudan. Whiskey is out of Bamalu Vijunov. Whiskey is out of Bamalu Vijunov. Lakin Del Mabarabin. Ajat kulu ata kudura za bika bebeyu fewen bebeyu min Uganda ajami sure kudura albamalu fi junub bika bebeyu min Uganda. So we will never be a part of this useless SPLA. But let me talk about Tariq but Africa. Malazinawi, Tigray, Malazinawi, fought again Mangiza El Mariam. The tough communists. Almaji wala Russia been Mangiza El Mariam was supported by Russia. Not Uganda, by Russia. But it toppled the government. Taradu Mangiza El Mariam. Nazmala Zinawi. Shal dollar labajde. Beg wall can't go without it. Why? Tal fi Junub Sudan. The giant SPLA. Revolutionary. Shaka hukum gawe, hukum bata Sudan. Hukum bata jalin. Hukum alkan bagol Allahu Akbar. Min ma'umma nagul Allahu Akbar. Dama bejibu tawali Saudi Arabia, Libya, Gruj, Danat, Shunnu. Ata, they brought factory to manufacture gun for Dakal Sudan. Kalanjin ko biga ba malu for Dakal Junub Sudan. And they gave us name Kawara, Shunnu, Sajman, Sagan, Asharat. But SPLA got some dollar. Got some dollar down. SPLA way. Tal for Uganda. Museveni. Revolutionary. Chakal ma hukum batal ugair dollar down. They Tariq batana. So those who are yesterday, meche shar nas garangde. O bagna dela wamin mina walata denga brao gabila white was without shame. Gabila white yo gadamala jade. They took the fire. Marakan gadamal dogo batao. Yodi chewang. Ila shara riga bata yodi kadu fi alam kulu fi technology. We abandon. We capture. Anona mesik. Anona arek. Anona torot. Anona amal. Yaila. Dumunu galagi fi Tariq with Africa that you will defeat the rebel. Who told you that for Africa that you will defeat the rebel? Ariga bata doga bata mara. Konya market gadamal kisra. Konya market gadamal kisra. Dan yor jawang. Dan nar da yor de maj bata yor de shalu fi Lou Nuär okadu fi maltane. That's we burned on the entire village. You know win. Anonymous SPL away. Yeah? But today, this morning, while we're speaking now, kalam do kulu mafi. Mafi SPL on social media. Mafi we capture. Mafi we destroy. Mafi we burn down the house. I just to kulu and this is why this video is mad. Why you went quiet? When you know but war machine commercializing war. Kidip. Kite. Let. Twit. I just but twit was. Why this morning? Leu tumma ba amale dai desa. Matal kumbara utumna bra hukuma de. Amale dai dum tumma amale umbara de. Anona message. Ita mamsungu ya tumal fi junubi de hukuma. Lo ita mazon mugafal. You are the government. You're supposed to have that country kulu. The door of attack. You are the government. When government is talking that I capture, ita mamsung mal batak ita barak. And you celebrating that I captured Mal Batak, Fidol of attack, I captured. If you think it can all go away, Dola can bukun fiyat batakulu. Dola can bukun fiyat batakulu, no it can ukuma quest or ukuma go away. Dola can bukun fiyat batak. Lakin lo ukuma biga bakul, ana tarado ana fiyay, o ana message yuay tane mano ukuma manyangat. In Tariq but Africa. Look at Somali gazamun fi Somaliland. In Africa, a rebel is not defeated. In Africa, Tariq with Africa, Mutamarudin, nobody will defeat Mutamarudin. Always Ukuma by doubted. It doesn't matter how long it takes. Always Ukuma Dola Bagsamu or Ukuma by doubted. One of two things will happen. Ukuma by doubted. All dollar baksamu. Kalam ita. Ukuma never win. Kulukul fi Africa. No government ever won a war. Kulukul. Ukuma al-Badi fi Africa that I defeated rebel. Wana God fi dollar na shakal ma mutamuradin. Wana inta mutamuradin. Wana God fi dollar. No. Mafi. Fi Africa kulu. Mafi. That's what need to be commercialized. But Ukuma that rebel in Africa never been defeated. One of two things will happen. Either rebel get some dollar down, or dollar down rebel shalukulu. Either rebel divided the country, or rebel took the entire country. SPLA get some Sudan. Oyana get some Abay. Musube shal dollar kulu. Kenya de. The Tahrir kaman min kawaja. Africa kulu de Tahrir. Liberation. Africa kulu de Tahrir butana. Ila these people they will come to social media ma doga bata na la fi bet brao bas shalu kadu fi maltane. We are the government. We have defeated rebel. Nuär. Now there's two things you need to know. Where you are waging a war, you cannot defeat Nuär for Nuär. You can keep other Maldane, like you cannot defeat Nuär for Nuär. Maltegari Amale Dashi Udade, they are Nuär, and you will never defeat Nuär for Nuär. Kalamna Mamal Chiluk Gobalgade. Amalu Chiluk Dangaja, Jab, Uganda, Jab, Munu, Min. 2006, 2007, 2008, denga terrorize chuluk. Lamu junubin kulu. Lamu kulu fi dut bita chuluk. Lakin alele de, ma fi dabis bita denga fi aradu da chuluk. Alele de, ma fi dabis bita denga fi aradu da chuluk. Chuluk, all control the entire, Angolek control the entire Chololand. Power. Wake de kulu, to could be sure that the bus with I kulu de danga. To could fi ay mal, na wa shulu ne the bus with I kulu de danga. The bus de we no alele. We no the bus with a danga de. We no, I'm trying to lecture you, my brother. We no the bus with a danga de. I'm well like now. Yo the bus but al fi farad da shulu kul. Shulu shala rad betaw. Fi yetta hukuma da salbakir. Fi gdamu zede. Fi gdamu zede. O shulu galala yo the bus kulum. Commissioner Ujunukulu, you cannot defeat somebody if you bad without. Kulukul. You cannot defeat somebody if you bad without. Ita mama amal defeat Nuer fi arad without. Nuer bechil arad without. Kulu minukuma dak. Oh yeah. Nuer bechil arad without. Kulu minukuma. It is guaranteed. Nuer bechilo. So, no ita page social media umbar ita gadamale that government is winning. Today, but the Ligi Bara to go, we are winning. You are not winning. Suddenly you are not winning. And you cannot win. Government number one, no war for Africa. Ayaja banaru hukuma always. Ayi hukuma batal for Africa gargaru besla all baksimu dollar. Bargaru hukuma kulu all baksimu dollar. So you cannot win. As a Salva Kiir been struggling against rebel in 2013. What have you won? It is all like a celebration, Alele. How many years today? How many years today you've been doing this nonsense? I win. How many years? How many years? In 2013. How many years? Tell me, how many years you've been struggling against the rebel and you did not defeat rebel? Nazal Garden for Juba, the former rebel Kulu, Tabandangai, former rebel, Olain, former rebel. Tutkew, former rebel. Nyadangarang, former rebel. Majanga got former rebel. So dollar that the dollar the rebel that I'll guide for you that the rebel that. So what rebel are you defeating? The guy for you by my rebel that. Now that the guy there, I'll guide Chagel. Those who are in Juba now, Juba is controlled by rebel. Rebel, your guy for Juba. By President Nyadangarang, my rebel. By President Nyadangarang, the rebel. Olan, the rebel. Tabandangai, the rebel. Tutkew, rebel. Rulray, El Garikalam, be built from there. Rebel. Kongchorale, rebel. So what rebel are you defeating? Rebel that you got for Juba. Maite Jan Denkawe, Tabana, Garala, Lungaro, Zil, with the Kalaba, this is all warm socket to Mabar Tarik with Africa. Tamabar Tarik with Africa. Kalamtum Garugulu de Gal Nuer de Gabila Maba win. Lana de Nuer Brow, your God for Gaba. The kids of socket. The Danga your mama win. No one tribe can rule the country. Why are you trying to spin Kalamfar aside? Why you try to spin Kalamfar Gal Nuer? Well, Nuer de Gabila why? You try to disencourage Nuer. Nuer a good slat. That's Gabila why no baharer. Gabila why no baharer. Oh Lord, might a good at the Danga yard, you know. Might a good at the Danga yard, you know, in Sudan. Shoo. You don't even think about what you're talking about. You just open your mouth and you start talking. My Danga Bagul, we liberated South Sudanese, another Danga Brana, we liberated South Sudanese from Sudan. So if you liberate the South Sudanese from Sudan, what will it stop Nuer from liberating South Sudanese from Danga government? We are liberated. South Sudanese come out for Khartoum. But now, let's get Kajgal Nuer. You cannot liberate South Sudan. If Danga liberate Sudan, why do you think Nuer cannot liberate South Sudan? Now the question is it's not about Nuer. The man Nuer brother God for Gaba. Mulunga when God for Gaba bejay the Danga, the man Nuer. Let's talk logic. Mulunga when God for Gaba, the Danga, the man Nuer. The Chunichal Mulung for Gaba, what brought him there? The Mikila but Hukuma the Danga for Juba. The man Mikila the Nuer. Nyal get me Gaba. Nyal, Meshigaba. They then cow with the manuel. Because you need to be lectured that don't make mistake. Don't even lie to yourself that another guy for Gaba than where. No, the manuel. Mikila da junub dare gafu be de man Nuer for how you got gaba bukunde Nuer yo got shagal magaza de lakini in the wedding list wedding list fiaja kawaja bugulu wedding list in the then da mushagal list got gaba ina mulung got gaba de denkawe ne al got gaba de denka de man mikila da Nuer shal gaba de mikila da kuma da denka de wallet takarbino kwany the legend wallet karbino kwany who doesn't know karbino kwany the munal mubaro karbino kwany titashar mayo amali butusumia talado tamanin inglaf the munal amal inglaf dare 1983 karbino kwanyin ball his son wallet betaw al kabir just declare a war on the government my rebel taw marat fudu to hukuma wala takarbina kwai de denkawe ke de denkawe de ma chulkawe de ma nwerawe and don't make mistake bakalam far batak de war for propaganda wala we capture te giblana doga wariga vi konya market to kuru fi social media or to go we capture you capture nothing you gonna go it's a magic whether you like it or you don't like it it's a magic de denga brao daga dengal banaro abiere gari na lele mind identification nobody know the woman jinubin woman somalin garabin yamanin libin nobody know the denga the manwer the denga de jire madag bro mal 14 in if you know na well shallow balata denga ma fi gabila da Nuer fi Malta ne gabila da Nuer ga fi Junub Sudan kulo ma fi gabila da shilu fi Malta ne gabila da shilu ga fi Junub Sudan lakin gabila bata danga liza fi Shumal albanado abiya idare asa da munu da mikila da Nuer ol da mikila bata danga ngundan monjang fa dia yak bot kum ya So you try to make Nuer a subject of the matter. No, Nuer is not the problem. Read my lips. When I said numerous times that Nuer is not a problem that you know Sudan. Ukuma da batana vijuba banadas fielede run by Salva Kiir is the problem. Salva Kiir is the problem. Not a one nation, not Gorial. Now only Majadekolo. Salva Kiir is a problem. O Salva Kiir bogum bukur Sudan. It is all wagma Salva Kiir somebody fighting for Salva Kiir later God the mutsagin be mutta kasara. Salva Kiir be shilo bara. Fin different be shil Salva Kiir bara. Jinubin be shil Salva Kiir bara besla or rubuna be shil Salva Kiir bara. Kede bas yom na bogum kede de Salva Kiir mat chalu fu magabir. Salva Kiir is a dead man walking. Kede shub Salva Kiir maji batata tata. While Museveni for Uganda is not a hate man with Salva Kiir. Museveni is not a hate man. Museveni is still doing push up. Gari jiri bijumba for gram jet bitaw. Lana Museveni mabotul shap bitaw. God bless him. Lakin Salva Kiir bo umur bata arbo sabain, talaro sabain, maji dabat, mabodari dor. Mad kalas, inta kalas. Fadal bas rubuna yiji sabah bukura yegul Salva Kiir bye. Bado call me Nuer ma mikila da Salva Kiir. Ata rubuna zaro mikila da Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir ma bagdari kalam. Salva Kiir ma bagdari amam brao. Salva Kiir ma bagdari shil warga fi fakana nazar nafsu. Salva Kiir batagul inta kalas. Rubuna inta minum. What are we talking about? Zul el mat kalas robuna kalas robuna zari bika mikila kabir rebel azade is not Nuer rebel robuna rebel azade gadu duk Salva Kiir de robona de Nuär. Why you worry about Nuär? De Nuär yo kile Salva Kiir ma kala be lugo ba denga lo galo Salva Kiir yinga ma bodo re gulu de Nuär. Salva Kiir ma bagde re Duɔr de Nuär. Salva Kiir ma bagde re amam de Nuär. Salva Kiir is not capable of taking care of himself de Nuär de robona. The rebel tani banado robona. So why you worry about Nuär? Why you worry about you? Why they malbak batao malta to go to social media? We win. So Sudan people defend for winning what? For Africa. What are you winning? You winning and Salva Kiir is dying? Huh? You winning and Salva Kiir is dying for Juba. You protecting Zul al Mad Kalas. Zul Mad Kalas. Ya kwan lo Zul ma budre amam barao. Umur bata fi America de umur bata 70 umur bata talado 70 de bejiri gari jiri gari la kura basketball kana Salva Kiir ji la kura basketball bura. Let him come to play basketball bukura mayal batao grandchildren batao. I want to see Salva Kiir the Obama yode gari jiri mayal batao. Yode Museveni gari jiri mayal batao. Can you choose Salva Kiir bukura fi Bilfam garamal tamarin mayal? Get the fuck out of here. Who are you trying to lie to? Today I come down over Zol and Mat Kalas. Today total Yalta and because I'm Zol and Mat. You finishing generation because of someone dead man. You are finishing generation. Ito banadu je vida university na lele. Ito boktul la chan Salva Kiir al Mat Kalas. Salva Kiir al Mat Kalas. Ito boktul musakbal ta junuf. Musakbal ta junuf ito boktulu. Bakalam Zol al Mat.